Every single spring and summer, I always stop by Aerie and American Eagle. I feel like they have the best spring summer staples. Because you are watching this video between March 8th through 13th, you will be getting an exclusive 25% off site-wide on all of these items. You just use the links down below in the description box. It's just a sale specifically through the Like to Know It app. So I will have them listed below in the description box as well as in the top pinned comment down below. The pieces in today's video are 10 out of 10. We have some great sets, some t-shirts, just some spring summer finds, dresses that you want to make sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. And if you love all things affordable fashion, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a future video. We talk affordable try-on hauls here a few times a week, so I'd love to have you join. Let's get started. I have been an avid Aerie Pullover sweatshirt buyer since high school, and this one just checks all of the boxes. Again, it's one of those moments where you wish you all could just come through the camera and feel how incredibly soft this fabric is on the inside. So it is a nice quarter zip, as you can see here. Now I did size up to a medium because I am expecting, and this is a little bit of a shorter option. So if you want that oversized fit, you can size up one. Otherwise, go with your true to size. But I loved this like summery hot pink. I feel like it got me in the mood for just all the warm weather. It does have the kangaroo style pouch in the front. Comes in a ton of different color options, but I love to style this with just like shorts, cotton shorts. I've also been really liking styling this with a tennis skirt, specifically the one from the Offline brand as well with Aerie. I love this combo together, and if it's a little bit chilly in the morning or the evening, say you're going mini golf, this is a great piece to throw on top of like bodysuit or something like that. But must have, oh, the material is just incredible. I will be living in this postpartum. And then speaking of the tennis skirts, this is the one that I recently picked up, and I love the material on the waistband. So I tried a few from Amazon where it's been like the spandexy waistband that can sometimes ride up or fall down, and this cotton material is so good at staying in place. In the warmer months, I am such a fan of little tennis skirts. I wear them all the time, and I especially love the ones with the little built-in shorts on underneath. So I've had a few styles that I've loved from Amazon, but I decided to try the Offline brand at Aerie, and I'm like obsessed with this skirt. So it has a really nice stretchy waistband, comes in 5 to 6 other color options. It has that gorgeous midi pleating going down the front of it, which just makes it so breezy and comfortable. So this is just another way that you could easily style that waffle knit long sleeve. It's a little bit chilly outside. You can wear this out with friends, golfing, tennis, any of those things. The length is really great on it as well. So good. I want to go ahead and grab it in another color option, but I also love the tennis skirt and the Reebok combo. I think those complement each other really well. Every single year I snag the Aerie Oversized Tee. I love the style this year. So you're seeing a very nice V, kind of thick trim headline going around here. And I was saying over on Instagram, these are like the t-shirts that fit all different seasons of life, whether you're pregnant, you're postpartum. I wore these a ton postpartum with my son because it was just easy to nurse, and then they're great to wear casually every single day. You can knot them on the side, which makes them really cute with a tennis skirt like the black one I had shared earlier. They're just the best. The fabric is amazing. They wash really well over time. I love this seafoam blue, but they come in about 7 or 8 other color options. Gorgeous for spring and summer. And I did go with my true to size small here. It does feature a little side slits down on the side, which makes it very, very breathable and comfortable, but closet must have for me. Again, I just grab these every year. Great to wear with leggings as well. Layer a denim jacket over top of it. They're a favorite. Every single spring for the last couple years, I have picked up these Aerie sets, these 100% cotton sets. They have that kind of gauzy, slightly crinkled material. Incredible. They wash really, really well over time. So it does come separate, but I get the button down. I got this last spring in the hot pink and the white version because I wanted to be able to use them as cover-ups as well, which is what's so great about this set is you can use them as cover-up, then you also can wear them casually like I have here with just a bodysuit on underneath, and you can wear it out and about. Like I said, 100% cotton, so super nice and breathable. Probably comes in about 6 or 7 other color options, and I'm wearing my true to size small here. Shorts do feature a nice elastic waistband that just gives all day comfort, as well as they do have pockets, which automatically elevates them. And another way you obviously can switch up the little party short set that I had just shared is by throwing on the quarter zip. I just love this combo. It's easy, it's comfortable. The fabric on both of them are incredible. Stretchy waistband. I love this color combo, and that's what's so great about Aerie is so many of their pieces can so easily be kind of mixed and matched with others. You'll get so much use out of them, but I mean, who else does this outfit get you so excited for summer? Like, bring on the beach, bring on the warm weather. We are ready. These little parachute cargo pants are going really fast on Aerie's website for good reason. I feel like they're such a great way to wear a lot of the trends this spring and summer season with the wide pant kind of cargo style. Still very on trend. These feature 5 pockets, an adjustable waistband here. And what's great about it is sometimes with little cargo pants like this, they can kind of feel frumpy and like they don't give you a lot of shape. Well, down at the bottom, they actually have adjustable little straps down here. You can cinch around the ankle area to give you just a little bit more shape as well. I am wearing my true to size small. For height reference, I am 5'9", but do keep in mind I am in my 3rd trimester. So these do come in a bunch of different color options. The material is really nice, easy to wash, and all of the pockets on it lend for such convenience. I love that you can style these with bodysuits, with crop tank tops. You can throw on some sneakers with these. You can do flip-flops. They're a versatile spring must-have. I saw their little knit pullovers were new this spring, and I love the style of this. So you can wear this alone with like a new bra or whatever underneath of it, but I just opted to throw on just a white bodysuit. I am wearing my true to size small here. It definitely is more of that oversized fit, but I love the polo design. So you can style this so many different ways. You can wear it with the parachute pants that I just shared. You can style it with a pair of cotton shorts, a tennis skirt, and you also can dress it up with like some cream trouser pants. That would look really chic and classy as well. But again, the fabric, 10 out of 10. It comes in a bunch of different color ranges. I decided to go with this kind of brown, with this neutral brown color, just so it would match with any type of bottom that I would want to pair it with. But I like that it just kind of switches things up in your wardrobe a little bit, kind of gives that chic, preppy style without being too much. This is a really great look for less for the viral Skims dress that has just taken the internet by storm. I was excited when I saw this new style. I like these little cotton bodycon dresses for the spring and summer because there's so many fun ways you can style it. You can tie up a little t-shirt over it. You can do the same for a sweater. You can throw a pullover over it. Now I did go with the heather gray. It comes in 2 other color options. I just opted for this gray because it would go with pretty much any layering piece I would want to throw on over top of it, but also with the denim jacket and some cute little wedges for date night. It does have adjustable straps here, really nice stretchy fabric. So as you can see, great while I'm pregnant, but then also will be great postpartum and if you're not expecting as well, of course. And I did go ahead and get my true to size here. I love how this just kind of switches things up. It'll be just an easy go-to dress all season. And I love that gray set so much. I also picked it up in this set as well. Now this one's just a little bit different. This one has a little bit more of a linen texture to it. So I have it styled here buttoned up, but again, obviously you can open this up. Another way I love to style this, and this is how I styled it a lot last spring and summer, was actually throwing on some like cute little white shorts, linen pants, but then front, like putting this in a knot up here in the front, and that is just really chic and effortless. Again, another really great whole cover up that you could opt for. Comes in so many different color options. I love this pink, and as you can see, it runs very oversized. I am wearing my true to size small, and again, I love that the pockets have that stretchy waistband. They feature pockets. I mean, these sets are just a must. Let me know down in the comment section which was your favorite item. Love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to follow over on Instagram for restock alerts, sales, and giveaways and more in Instagram stories. So I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.